Let's say that the listener does want to do brunch
Mhm.
well, like they do want to have a high level of execution. Things that you teach your team with brunch that set you apart.
It's really the simplicity of using really great ingredients. I think I always believe that a chef is as good as their ingredients they use. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. In the beginning, I think I overthought it almost in a way of, oh, everything has to be so perfect. But I really do believe that if you just take pride in sourcing, for us too, local is very important. Everything comes down from the buttermilk we use to the flour we use. So it's little things like we heat our maple syrup. We keep it heated because I think that
Mm.
makes a difference. Like, I don't want cold maple syrup on my pancakes. We also use 100% real maple syrup. And again, I think people just taste the difference. We like to fresh squeeze our juice. I just think that a lot of those little details get missed in breakfast, especially. We try to just educate our staff on why those little things make a big difference.